In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch companies in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're managing multiple businesses or need to navigate between different accounts, this process is straightforward and only takes a few minutes. Let's get started. First, you'll want to sign in to your QuickBooks account. Look for the sign in button on the QuickBooks website, which is your gateway to managing your finances seamlessly. Once you've clicked on sign in, you'll be asked to choose the platform you're using. Go ahead and select QuickBooks Online. This ensures you're directed to the right portal for your online accounting needs. Now you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. Take a moment to type in your email and password. If you're someone who juggles multiple logins or tends to forget your password, QuickBooks has a handy Remember Me option that might ease your login process next time. Once your information is entered, click Continue to access your account. With access to your account, the next step is to head over to the settings. To find this, look for the gear icon typically located at the top right corner of your dashboard. This icon is your control center where all your QuickBooks settings reside. Clicking on it opens up a menu with various options. Within this menu, you'll find the choice labeled Switch Company. Selecting this will set you up to toggle between your different business accounts. After clicking Switch Company, you'll see a list of all the companies linked to your QuickBooks account. It's useful if you're keeping track of different business ventures or clients. From this list, go ahead and select the company you wish to switch to. Selecting the correct company saves you from potential confusion or errors in bookkeeping, so make sure you choose the right one. Once you click on the company name, QuickBooks will transition you to the selected company's dashboard. You can now manage that company's finances just as you do with your primary company. If at any point you need to switch back or choose a different company, simply repeat the process by heading back to the settings. And there you have it, you've learned how to effortlessly switch companies in QuickBooks Online. This feature is incredibly useful for efficiently managing multiple businesses or clients from a single user account, helping you maximize your productivity and keep all your financial data in one organized location. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to subscribe for more quick and easy QuickBooks tips. Thanks for watching and happy bookkeeping.